Okay, so slow drain. Turn the water on. It's not draining. Look at this. Up, down, up, down. You see that's not doing anything. Okay. And that's what we're working with. Slow drain. Look like I probably gotta snake it. I've always had problems with this drain. This is a new vanity sink I installed. So it's the drain. It's the actual DWV drain. We'll see. This is our next one. See what we do. Okay. All right. So I'm still having problems with the sink, the vanity sink. This is the drain waste vent pipe to the sink. That's to the sink right here. I've historically have always had problems with this pipe. I'm thinking there's some type of blockage somewhere in here. I cut right here and I'm able to go down here, so I'm really focusing on, I think it's somewhere right here. So what I think I'm going to do is, well, I mean, it's not that, I'm already committed. So I cut this pipe, reciprocating, so I cut the pipe right here. I'm about to cut it somewhere around, I'm about to cut the pipe somewhere around right here. And as you can see, I already cut it up here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this whole piece. I'm going to use these Plum Quick connectors, and we're going to see what we can do. See, hopefully it should work, you know, and we'll find out. Hopefully that resolves the problem. So hopefully this fixes it, and this is the least expensive way and the least intrusive way to fix this pipe and resolve the problem. All right, well. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh man, look at that. So let's look at that. Guess you really can't see it from here, but oh man. So yeah, so look, this is like about 3/4 to a quarter to 3/8 of an inch of just crud. And if you look lower in there, yeah, it's not looking too good for it. So glad I changed it. Let's see if we can shed some light here and see what we can see. Let me see if I can get the light on this thing. There we go. Look at that. So that's what it's looking like on the inside. Okay. So I guess we're about to change it. I mean, it didn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna look, but I mean, I don't know what else to do. So let's change this, and hopefully this resolves our problem. I'll put the pipe, this fitting over here, and make sure the lip of the edge of this fitting is towards the middle of right here. I want to make it so it's in the middle right there. Okay, so we want to get the other fitting right here. Put that up here like so. Right there. That's good. Right there. That's good right there. Okay. Push that to the side so it's nice and easy to screw on. Alright, so as you can see, I like this. I like these fittings like that. The edge of here is in the middle. The edge of this pipe is in the middle. The edge of this pipe is right here in the middle. I want to screw this on so I can get it nice and tight. And This way we can work on the next part of this. Yeah, I mean, I just love these fittings. I love them. I love them. Makes the job easy. I wish I had my other tool, but my other screwdriver. Can't find it right now. Okay. Do up here. Make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Okay, so that's not coming on, that's not coming on, and that's not coming on. Okay, so next, I'm gonna put the T in there. I'm gonna get pieces of PVC. So it'll be a piece of PVC here, piece of PVC here. I think it's 1.5 PVC, and PVC between here and here. Tie that stuff up. And we should. Okay, so we're gonna have. All right, so make sure this piece goes down like that, and you don't do something like this. That's not the way to go, because the water's coming this way and going down. So anyway, gotta cut a 5-inch piece from a piece of PVC from the middle of this, where the edge of this is in here, to this part right there, that little ridge right there. It's 5 inches. So I'm about to cut that piece now. Just using a hacksaw. I don't feel like making too much dust. Okay, so I got the piece. 1/2 inch, 1.5 inch. Alright, so what I'm doing is now I'm gonna get this piece in here. Got it in there. It's meeting this metal piece right here. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just a guy who can pretty decent with his hands, and trying to save some money. Okay, so yeah, that's all the way in there. Yeah, sorry guys for this it's tight. I'm sick too, so I really didn't feel like doing nothing. You know, I didn't feel like doing nothing. I just wanted to chill today. You know, catch up on the Big Ten wrestling championship because I didn't get to watch it. I missed last week's championship, so I have it saved on DVD. Not DVD, but the DVR. And this thing's giving me a hard time. Oh man, it's giving me a hard time. That's what it was. I had to loosen this thing up. So I guess somebody at Home Depot tightened it or something. So now we're gonna push this in here. Hopefully we won't have the same difficulty. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay. We liking the way that's looking. We liking the way that's looking. Looks good. Gotta get a piece for here. I gotta get a little piece for there. And that's what we're gonna do next. And after that, we're gonna tighten everything up. Okay. tightening the screws up. Okay, tightening these pieces up. Making sure that's in. Tightening this one up. Slow and steady wins the race, people. Slow and steady wins the race. And not giving up, too. That's another thing. I don't give up. You know? I don't give up. Okay, so we got this. That's in there. I'm going to tighten that up a little bit more, a little bit later. And get this piece right here. Let's see what that's going to be. Let's see, 7 1/4 cut on the line. So, what? 7 1/4. 7 1/4. And this little beauty right here. And we're gonna say maybe like 3 3/4. 7 1/4 and 3 3/4. 7 1/4 and 3 3/4. Okay, so you got that piece in there. Okay. I'll get this piece in there. Okay. Okay. Now, I gotta get this on there. This is a little that's strange. We're gonna work it. Out. Brother's gonna work it out. Oh man. Oh, there we go. Okay, so alright. So it looks like everything is where it's supposed to be. We just gotta tighten everything up, and that'll be it. Okay, so let's make sure everything's nice and tight. Okay. Nice and tight. To the front so it's easy to tie, twist. Oh man. Okay. If you can remember, we replaced that whole part right here, this T, The piping that was here, it was all had a whole bunch of crud. Maybe half the pipe was clogged in this area right here, and a little bit right here. Cleared some of it out right here. Go down, and we're about to see if it works. See if the workaround worked. Okay, looks like it's holding up. I don't see no water. I feel the water coming through. I feel the water. There's no water coming through here. This pipe is super cold, so feel that water right here. It's going through. It looks like we're a thumbs up. Looks like it's a thumbs up. Bong. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it like this and monitor it this week and see what happens. But the water's been running for like a minute, and I don't think it's leaking and filling the sink up. But let's check. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's how you do it. Got that workaround. Worked around, baby. Yeah.